Everyone, and welcome to what I prepped today, or my thoughts for the day. I apologize for not uploading videos for a week now. I had to order a new fan for my laptop. I was advised not to use my laptop in the meantime, so my videos are there that I wanted to upload, and now I have to either try to install it myself or take it to get it fixed. But I will upload this video from my phone once I get home, but that's going to take over an hour to upload the video, not to get home. But I filled up my gas tank and it was $2.04 a gallon at the Sam's Club on Route 30 in Greensburg, PA. And now normally they do sell their gasoline for approximately 20 cents cheaper a gallon than everywhere else. I haven't checked locally what it was at home. I think it was $2.30 at home at the non-Sam's Club gas. But I passed a truck stop on the way here where gas was $1.92 a gallon. I just don't go to the truck stop. No, not even to save that much. Wait, yeah, it was $1.92. Actually, it was 11 cents cheaper, which to me is a good savings. But if they can sell it 11 cents cheaper, then Sam's Club is still overpriced. The Gecko near my home is overpriced. And the price of gasoline has fallen down to, what, $100 a barrel? Or is it less now? I found an old receipt in my vehicle where I got gas at this Get-Go on Route 51 in February, and I paid $2.67 a gallon. So 60 cents drop in the price of gasoline. I know that Pennsylvania has 50-some cents in tax built into the price. You know, I'm thinking that this $2.03 a gallon price should actually be less. And that $1.92, and then not too long ago, the same truck stop was selling it for $1.50 a gallon. So I'm thinking there's some price gouging going on. And how about letting me know in the comments what gasoline is in your area, and if you have other places where it's a lot lower. And if you think there's still price gouging on gasoline. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. Be blessed.